All right, welcome back. We're answering your questions now. First up, a video question for Joe from Connecticut, or from Joe in Connecticut.
Question for Joe Terranova. A couple weeks ago, you said buy Seattle Genetics. Bought it at 169. It's now over 200. Are you holding, or do you recommend selling right now?
Joe, for Joe, from Joe. I was right the first time. I should have just stayed with it.
Well, Joe, thank you for that question. Joe, thank you for that question. And yes, I am holding. Good job buying at 169. This is one of the leaders in biotechnology. They recently announced a collaboration with Merck. Over the last 3 years, they've grown revenue 30%. On November 16th, they have an R&D day. So I think this is a stock that could reach 250, and I'm holding it, and I hope you're there to join me.
Okay. Jim, Frank in Pelham, New York, CVS, Pharma Jim, he says, I'm very disappointed with CVS.
Hey.
Should I hold or sell?
Yeah, I'm disappointed in the share price too, Frank, but I think you're supposed to stick with it, and I am. Look, this company, I think it's been laboring under the premise that a Democratic Senate and a Democratic president will really enact regulations that eat into their business model. I don't think that's the case. This is a highly profitable business, and they've got cash flows that continue to allow them to pay down debt. Pretty soon they're going to start buying back shares right here at book value. They got a 3.4% dividend yield. I think you're supposed to stick with this.
Okay, John, I have one for you from Ross in Minnesota. I want to buy Target, but hesitate pulling the trigger. Just want to be confident that momentum can continue. What are your thoughts? I don't know if this is Pete calling himself Ross, but John, it's for you.
That's Pete's middle name, in fact, Scott. No, I'm just kidding. He and Brian Cornell, those are two peas in a pod, and they both love this company. And why not? They give 5% of what they earn away to the communities in which they live. That's about $4 million a week, Scott. So they're doing a lot of the right things. And they're doing right things with Shipt and how they compete with Amazon and Walmart. I think this is one you hold on to. Today, it was this close to hitting a new 52-week high at 166 and then pulled back from that as the market sold off. I think you buy it on the dip. This thing goes to 175 around Thanksgiving, Scott.
Okay. Shocking answer. Thank you for that, Doc. Tiffany, lastly to you. Adam in Ontario, when's a good time to buy J&J?
Now, actually. It's at about 148 right now. The high is 157. We had a little bit of a dip with that news yesterday, but we own J&J for its consumer products, not necessarily for the vaccine. So I'd buy it now.